The dealership wanted $14 for one bolt, plus a week's wait because it was, quote, a special order part. That same bolt, same size, same strength, same finish, is about 40 cents from a fastener supplier. Today, I'll show you exactly how to stop overpaying, how to decode any OEM part number into a standard spec, where to buy it for 1/10 of the price, and, just as important, the handful of bolts you should never substitute. First, why are dealer bolts so expensive? Here's the secret. The steel isn't special. The vast majority of OEM bolts are standard metric fasteners, the same class 8.8 or 10.9 hardware made in the same factories that supply everyone else. What you're paying for is the part number. The dealer system tracks that bolt as a unique part, handpicks it, bags it, and ships it through a chain where everyone takes a margin. A 40-cent bolt comes out the other end at $10, $15, sometimes $20. It's not a scam exactly, it's just logistics you don't need to pay for, because that part number is a code. Crack the code and you can buy the same bolt anywhere. Step 1. Find your OEM part number. 3 places. Your service manual's parts diagrams list every fastener with its number. Online OEM parts catalogs, the same fiche the dealer uses, are free to browse. Search your vehicle plus parts diagram. And if you've got the old bolt in a parts bag, the number is usually printed right on it. Step 2. Decode it to a spec. Every bolt is fully described by a handful of numbers. Diameter and thread pitch, like M6 by 1.0. Length under the head type, hex, flanged, socket cap. The strength grade, that's the markings on the head, 8.8, 10.9, or the SAE lines, and the finish, zinc, black oxide, or a special coating. Our free cross-reference tool at whatsizebolt.com does this instantly. Type the part number, get the spec. If your part number isn't in the database yet, submit it and we'll research it. Or measure the old bolt yourself with calipers and a thread pitch gauge. $20 of measuring tools pays for itself the first week. Step 3. Buy that spec. Here's the tier list. For spec-exact hardware with full traceability, McMaster-Carr is the gold standard. Exact grade, exact finish, shipped today, slightly premium but bulletproof. Fastenal is similar with trade counters in most towns, handy for will call pickup. Online fastener supply houses sell by the box, which is where the real savings live. A box of 25 for the price of one dealer bolt. Need it today? O'Reilly, AutoZone, and Ace have a hardware aisle with metric assortments. Fine for non-critical bolts. Just check the grade marking on the head before you buy. And Amazon? Totally workable if you're careful. Buy from verified fastener brands, check that the listing states the grade and standard, and read the reviews. If a listing doesn't say the grade, assume the worst. Now the exceptions. This part matters. Some bolts you buy OEM full stop. Torque to yield bolts, head bolts, many main and rod cap bolts are engineered one-time use parts. Buy the exact part. Safety critical fasteners, suspension, brakes, steering, seat belts. The OEM bolt may have a specific shoulder, a captive washer, or a micro-encapsulated thread locker patch you can't see. Special geometry, pilot points, shoulder bolts, body bolts with oversized flanges. And anything your service manual flags is replaced with new. The rule, if it holds the car up, stops it, or steers it, or if it stretches when you torque it, pay the dealer price. It's cheap insurance. Let's do a real one, start to finish. Honda Part 90101 ZE1000, the air filter cover bolt on a GCV 160 mower engine. Type it into the cross-reference tool. M6 by 1.0, 16 millimeters long, flanged hex, class 8.8, zinc plated. That's a completely standard bolt. The dealer wants several dollars each. A fastener house sells a bag of them for pocket change. Same bolt. The tool gives you the generic spec and a one-click link to buy it. So, find the number, decode it free at whatsizebolt.com/tools/parts-cross-reference. Buy from the tier that fits your job and never substitute the safety critical stuff. Drop a part number in the comments and I'll decode it for you. If this saved you money, subscribe. We publish fastener specs, torque charts, and shop tricks every week. Stop guessing. Start fixing.